5 pieces of oysters equals safe. 6 equals pancreatitis. Here's the line. Oysters? Yes, but with strict rules. Get one wrong and it's a vet trip. Cooked oysters in very small amounts are safe for dogs. Raw oysters are risky bacteria, vibrio. Oysters are very high in zinc, which can be toxic in excess. Only 1-2 cooked oysters ok. For a lab, small handful. For a medium indie, 20-30 g. For a palm, 1 small piece. Never spicy, never salted, never during monsoon if the food looks off. Get the exact portion for your dog's breed and size on dogeats.in. Save this.